Yum ButterBeanz! And today we're gonna be making a dinosaur egg piano for my bro sneaks. Stay tuned. So to make the egg shape of the balloon, of the piano, you want to blow up any color balloon and make sure to tie the string up so when you're drawing it, it could just do that. And then you want to cut strips of paper. And then you can also paint it if you want. Let's get started. Yes, we just did this. My mom did that. Now that you got all your strips, we're going to make homemade glue, or you could just use some regular craft glue, plus mix it with some water. But we're going to do the homemade, so flour and water. So now you have to add little by little. So you're getting gluey, the glue color. It up. Now that your glue looks like your school glue, that means you had enough flour. So then you're going to want to take your paper strips one by one and then put them in the glue. Then you're going to want to put that, once you have all the paper strips with glue on them, you're going to want to put them on the balloon. But you always want to leave a space for the candy. And don't put it on the bottom, put it on the side or the top. So I just did this one quick to show you, and I'm going to just wrap it around the balloon so it doesn't drip. For the egg balloon. Like this. And I'm going to put the candy up there. Oh, that's funny. Once you got the balloon all covered up, you're going to want to hang it up to dry. Okay, so we went out here to pop the balloon, or the piano that we making, but it just popped over itself. So that's always going to be fun to pop it. So now we're going to paint it for the cool guys with us. So we're going to paint it yellow. I call it gold. Blue. Okay, so now we're going to paint it, and now it's going to dry overnight, and then we get to put the candy in, but only at his birthday. Now that the egg dried, well, the piano, we're now going to we're going to put in not all this candy, but some of the candy. in there. And then we're gonna patch it up with this little piece of paper so it doesn't get in. And maybe we're gonna paint it. So let's see these ones. They're mini pots. It's like good. Oh, that's birthday cake. I need that. Now we're going to patch it up. So, got a piece of paper here. Okay, Mama, can you hold the side? Thanks. I know Mom's holding the camera, but so she can actually help with me too. She's pretty good. Oh, this one's easy. And we can paint it too. Well, I'm gonna paint it because I want it to be matching. Thank you for watching.